A new Washington State report shows air pollution is disproportionately impacting 16 communities across the state, including Spokane.
KREM 2's Shannon Mowdy is breaking down those new findings tonight and what it means for your health.
It's a sobering report for 16 communities across Washington. Under the Climate Commitment Act, the state's Department of Ecology looked at air pollution in these vulnerable areas.
Just very important to allow the state to start addressing some of these disparities and injustices.
The findings are concerning.
We looked at the human-caused sources, so we're talking about wood stove smoke, we're talking about industry, we're talking about traffic.
Spokane and Spokane Valley are the only spots in eastern Washington listed as overburdened by air pollution. People in these communities are more likely to have health problems and may even die sooner than others living elsewhere in Washington state.
More likely to have certain health conditions, including conditions that affect their hearts and lungs, because we're talking about the outdoor air that people breathe. That's not really new information.
What is new and surprising is what researchers found about how air pollution can take years off your life.
But more specifically, we estimate that people aged 65 or older are twice as likely to die from air pollution that comes from these human sources.
People in overburdened communities live, on average, 2.4 years less than others across the state. People of color and low-income groups, which the report says are more likely to live near pollutants like roads and waste sites, are even more disproportionately impacted. The main pollutant in Washington is fine particles from wildfires, but this report didn't factor in wildfire smoke. Now the department's adding more air monitoring sites, including in Spokane.
To get more specific data about what are the air pollutants of concern in each of these communities.
The department will also do more outreach, including visits to spots like Spokane for community feedback. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.